Welcome to our channel. If you stream content frequently, follow these step-by-step instructions to optimize quality while conserving mobile data. Step 1. Adjust streaming quality settings within each app you use regularly. Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and other services allow you to control resolution and bitrate separately. Step 2. Enable data saver modes in streaming apps when using cellular connections. Most apps offer options to reduce quality on mobile data while maintaining high quality on Wi-Fi. Step 3. Download content over Wi-Fi for offline viewing during commutes or travel. Pre-downloading shows, movies, music, and podcasts eliminates data usage entirely. Step 4. Set video quality to standard definition when streaming on small phone screens. The difference between SD and HD is barely noticeable on phone displays but saves significant data. Step 5. Disable autoplay features for videos on social media platforms. Preventing automatic video playback saves data by playing only content you actively choose to watch. Step 6. Use audio-only options for music streaming instead of video. Audio streams use dramatically less data than music videos while providing the same listening experience. Step 7. Monitor data usage by app in your phone settings. Identify which apps consume the most data and adjust their settings or usage patterns accordingly. Step 8. Consider unlimited plans with HD streaming if you watch video constantly. If you consistently use more than 20 to 30 gigabytes monthly on video, unlimited plans may cost less overall. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.